Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Self Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can get rid of this indicator over here of a Peugeot 308, and this indicator, the building year is 2009, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Self Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first step is to turn the ignition off. Then we have two buttons over here. We're gonna use the 000 button. So ignition off, press and hold, and while you press it, turn the ignition back onto the second position, and you'll see a timer over here counting back till 0. Wait for it to count back. When it reaches 0, turn the ignition back off, then start the car, do the check, and you'll see that the indicator over here and the indicator on the middle in the middle instrument cluster is gone. This was a 308 Peugeot 2009 building year, and this is a tutorial on how to reset the service indicator. I hope you enjoyed it, it helped you, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.